Hi, in this video, we're going to multiply monomials. Unlike the processes of addition and subtraction, multiplication of monomials considers not only the numerical coefficients, but also the literal coefficients. Some laws of exponents are important in multiplying monomials, like a squared times a cubed. So what we are going to do, we can expand this one, which is a times a times a times a times a. Or we can just add these exponents as a squared plus cube. So our answer is a to the fifth power. You notice that we can add this by having the same literal coefficients. We cannot add them if this one is b. So let's try an example. So we have 5x squared y z cubed times 4xy cubed z squared. So what we are going to do is we just multiply first the numerical coefficient, which is 5 times 4 is 20. And then we have our literal coefficient, which is x squared times x is x cubed. Because we are just going to add 2 plus 1, which we have imaginary 1 exponent here. So next, we are going to multiply y times y cubed is y to the fourth power. And then z cubed times z squared is z to the fifth power. Let's go on to another example. So we have the quantity of AB cubed. So what we are going to do here is we can split them up to 3. We have AB times AB times AB. What do you think is the answer? The answer is A cube B cube. So let's have an example. So we have 3mn squared. So what we are going to do is we can split them up, which is 3mn times 3mn. And then we multiply them because there are two 3mn here because it's raised to 2. So we have 3 times 3 is 9. M times m is m squared. N times n is n squared. So the answer is 9m squared n squared. Let's go on to another case. So we have a squared cube, or the quantity of a squared cube. So what we are going to do is we have we can split them up, or we can just multiply this exponent to this one. So if we split them up, we have a squared times a squared times a squared, because we have 3a squared. So the answer is we just add them, which is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Or multiply, 2 times 3 is 6. So, a to the 6th power. Let's have some example. We have m squared, the quantity of m squared raised to the 4th power. What do you think is the answer? The answer is m squared times 4, which is m to the 8th power. Another example, the quantity of 3a squared b cube. So, what do you think is the answer? So, we can split them up or just distribute the cube. Equals, you can have 3 cube times a squared times 3b cube times cube. So the answer is 3 raised to the 3rd power, or 3 cube, is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, 27. A, 2 times 3 is 6. So we have a to the 6th power. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have b to the 9th power. So our answer is 27, a to the 6, b to the 9. So to multiply monomials, multiply the numerical coefficients and follow the rules of exponents for the literal coefficients. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.